Hi guys, it's Danielle Kartes with Rustic Joyful Food, and today we are making an incredible meatball sub. And along with a meatball sub, you need a cocktail. And what's better than a regular cocktail? A batch cocktail, celebrating my new vodka that just released, Fluorescence Vodka. So I'm so excited about that. We have some of the gorgeous Marcella Hazan tomato sauce that's bubbling away on the back burner. So first thing we're gonna do is I've got a little bit of ground pork. You can do sausage, sweet Italian, mild Italian, hot Italian, whatever sausage you like. I've got a 50-50 ratio. We've got a nice egg in here. We're gonna pop an egg in. I love a good breadcrumb. You can do stale bread. You can do the ends of the baguette. There's so many different things that you can do. I've got a little panko right here. We're gonna go over here into my food processor, put the Parmesan cheese, a little parsley, flat Italian parsley. I've got 6 cloves of garlic here. You cannot have too much garlic. I think it's very important. A little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. We're gonna whirl this all together. You basically want to turn these breadcrumbs green, and all this goes right in here. The paddle sort of gently mixes everything together. Here we go. Look at that. 30 to 45 seconds, and you've got this beautiful meat mixture. I use a little ice cream scoop. You do not have to use an ice cream scoop. You can use just your hands. I've got a little olive oil, and I just want to get a little tiny kiss of olive oil on top of each one of these meatballs. And then these guys are going in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes at 425 degrees. Look at these beauties. I like to toss these guys around, and then we're gonna slice into here. I'm gonna get my mozzarella, and what I'm gonna do is sort of tuck in some cheese right here, and that's gonna hold my little guy open. And a little of this chunky, gorgeous sauce right in the bottom. Take at least 3. Okay, maybe we do. Maybe it's not gonna fit. Maybe we'll take the half and kind of tuck him up right in here. Take this other half, tuck him up in here. Okay, this is looking gorgeous. Just douse him on here because you really want this guy like messy delicious. Then we're gonna lay over our slices of mozzarella again. You gotta do whole milk mozzarella. I pull these guys out. I've been waiting to use my tiny little cup of basil. We tuck this all in. I mean, I feel like you can't have too much. Here we go. You know what? I hope you guys make this. Thank you for having me today, Rachel and show and fam. We love you guys so much. Enjoy.